So what you can also do inside our VLC Media Player is go ahead and play out media from stream as you want. So to do that, you can go around over here onto media and then go to network stream. And here, all you need to do is add in the address from where you want the video to play out. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and paste out a particular video, as you can see, which is from Pixabay. So let's just go around and click on play, and it loads up the video from that particular URL and plays it out in VLC just like this. So if you have a public URL, which may be in the local network or the internet, you can simply go ahead and play it out. You can simply go around over here on to open network stream right here. Then you can simply go around over here onto the network URL, paste it out right here and press the play button, and you have the other video playing out just like this again. So that is how you can go ahead and play out from network streams as necessary inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.